Making crazy noises. He's trying to laugh. Did you just figure out you could do that? Is that fun?
Pedaling.
He's kicking his legs. What?
Yay!
He's having fun.
What is he doing?
I don't know. I think he realized how to make that noise, and he's having fun. Yeah, that's right. You can control your voice. It's amazing, isn't it? Yeah. Kick your little feet. Kick 'em. Kick 'em. No. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Little tongue comes out. Talk to everyone. Oh. Oh no! What's going on? Say hello to somebody. Oh, can't touch the camera. Cough. Cough, cough, cough. Ooh. He's calming down. Oh. You try to get that foot in your mouth? Oh. Here, give it a try. Oh, there it is. Oh, there you go. You'll never be that flexible again. Enjoy it now. He's sucking on his big toe. Yeah, it's cool. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Say something else so we can go. Say ah! Or whatever it is you do. Say goodbye. Bye bye. Cough.
Aww. Show Grandma your spots.
Wave goodbye. Okay, that's it.
Bye-bye.